You walk into the gym, hit the bench press, run through a bunch of exercises, feel that pump. But in the mirror, nothing changes. No definition, no volume, no presence. And the worst part? You start doubting yourself. Is my genetics bad? Maybe this just isn't for me? The answer is no, because you're just training wrong. That's why in today's video we're going to show you 5 powerful exercises that will actually build your chest. 1. Barbell bench press. Forget lifting weight to impress others. Lower the bar slowly for 3 seconds. Lightly touch your chest, then press up while squeezing, like you're trying to crush something in the middle of your chest. Avoid bouncing the bar or using your shoulders. Lock your shoulder blades, keep your chest up, total control. 2. Incline dumbbell press. This is where you build that upper chest. Go deep, deeper than what feels comfortable. Press up while bringing the dumbbells slightly inward, squeezing at the top. The secret isn't just pushing weight, it's about hugging the movement. 3. Dumbbell fly. This one separates the strong from the smart. Keep your arms slightly bent. Lower slowly. Feel the chest stretch as much as possible. Come back up without fully bringing the dumbbells together to keep tension. Don't turn this into a press. This is about stretching and contracting, not lifting heavy. 4. Cable crossover. This is where you carve the details. Lean slightly forward, pull the cables like you're closing in for a hug. Hold the contraction for 1 second, feel your chest burning. If it's not burning, you're not doing it right. 5. Push-ups. Simple, right? But brutal. Lower yourself slowly and push up strong. No rushing, no cheating. Go to failure, then do 3 more rounds. This will teach you control and endurance. If you keep training the same way, you'll keep the same body. Simple as that, but if you apply this for 30 days with real focus, you won't recognize your own chest. Now do this. Don't just watch. Subscribe to the channel, but only if you're truly ready to evolve. Because here, excuses don't build muscle.